In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix network connection error on Free Fire app. So to fix this error, first we need to check the internet connection. The connection is working properly or not. If the connection is working properly but still you get this error, then follow these steps. Sometimes problem is related to your device, so simply restart your device. Long press on power button, click on restart and restart your device. Method 2, clear cache. Go to settings, scroll down, tap on apps, search for Free Fire, tap on force stop, click OK, go to storage, click on clear cache, go back, go to permissions and enable all the necessary permissions. And make sure this manage app if unused is toggle off. Sometimes this is the reason for the error. Now go back. If you are using mobile data, then tap on mobile data and make sure these two are enabled. Go back, tap on battery and select unrestricted. Sometimes this will also the reason for error. Method 3, update Free Fire. Go to Play Store, search for Free Fire and check if there is any update or not. If there is any update, update your Free Fire app. After doing all this, your problem will definitely be solved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.